Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The Best Girl Toys is probably one of the most delightful and impactful choices you can make for young minds aged 7 to 10, as these pivotal years are crucial for developing creativity, critical thinking, and essential social skills, making the right toy a powerful tool for fostering imagination, encouraging problem solving, and providing endless hours of engaging fun that truly sparks their unique interests and passions, transforming playtime into a valuable learning experience. Number 5. TEMI LED Light-Up Bow and Arrow Set for Kids. Unbox excitement with this complete archery set. It comes with a main bow, 10 suction cup arrows, a target, and a convenient quiver, providing everything needed to start playing right away. Experience thrilling nighttime adventures with its integrated LED lights. These lights make tracking your arrows easy and add a cool, captivating effect to every shot. This set offers more than just entertainment. It's a fantastic educational tool. Children can enhance their accuracy, hand-eye coordination, and fine motor skills in a fun and interactive manner. Crafted from premium, elastic materials, it ensures lasting durability and safety for young archers. Its smooth surfaces and strong suction cups allow it to adhere to various smooth surfaces like glass or walls. With an easy-to-wear quiver, this portable set is ideal for any adventure, from backyard play to camping trips. It makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, encouraging active indoor and outdoor fun. What we like? This set offers an exciting twist with its LED light-up arrows, making nighttime play extra special and easy to track. If you're looking for an outdoor toy that combines fun with skill development and adds a cool visual effect, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for kids who love active play and a bit of a challenge, enhancing their accuracy and motor skills. What people say. Number 4. NASA Lunar Telescope for Kids. Ignite your child's passion for space with this incredible telescope. It's designed to reveal the moon in stunning detail, making it the perfect gift for young astronomers. Experience the moon like never before with its powerful 90x magnification. It comes equipped with 2 eyepieces to enhance every viewing session. Featuring high-quality optical glass and a finder scope, it makes locating celestial objects effortless. Your child can easily spot the moon and then zoom in for a breathtaking close-up. The included tabletop tripod ensures stable viewing, while its smooth mount system allows for easy scanning across the entire lunar surface. This makes every observation comfortable and clear. Designed with beginners in mind, it's incredibly easy to assemble and use. This makes it an ideal tool for young scientists and their parents to enjoy the wonders of the night sky together. From an award-winning brand, this product fosters education and imagination. A U.S. support team is also available to ensure a stellar experience for everyone. What we like? This telescope provides an incredible opportunity to explore the moon in detail, designed specifically for young astronomers. If your child is fascinated by space and the night sky, this easy-to-assemble and use telescope is an ideal starting point. It's perfect for beginners to ignite their passion for science and discovery with a clear view of our lunar neighbor. What people say. Number 3. FunKidz Fluffy Unicorn Slime Kit. This kit arrives in a vibrant pink box, keeping all your slime-making essentials organized. It allows you to craft over 100 unique slime combinations, from fluffy cloud to sparkling glitter. You'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. This DIY kit sparks imagination and boosts hands-on scientific exploration. It not only teaches about slime but also delivers endless entertainment for kids. They will love discovering new textures and colors. Crafted with upgraded, child-friendly materials, it ensures a safe play experience. The color drops are food-grade, and the special glue is washable and non-toxic. Parents can feel confident about its quality. This kit helps create slime that's wonderfully stretchy and never sticky, leaving no residue on hands. You can produce at least 1,000 milliliters of basic slime in total. It's designed for maximum fun and minimal mess. Complete with cloud slime and unicorn charms, it makes an excellent gift for girls aged 6 to 12. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. They will adore this magical present. What we like? This comprehensive kit provides everything needed to create over 100 different slime combinations, fostering creativity and hands-on learning. If your child loves imaginative play and enjoys making things, this kit offers endless hours of fun and experimentation. It's great for kids who like to mix, stretch, and customize, providing a safe and engaging craft experience. What people say. Number 2. Ideahome Washable Kids Makeup Set. This makeup set is specially formulated to be soft and compatible with delicate skin. It's designed for easy removal, washing off effortlessly with just soap and water. Inside, you'll find a comprehensive 25-piece kit, including lipsticks, eyeshadows, brushes, and more. This extensive collection is perfect for satisfying her curiosity and exploring the world of makeup. The adorable cartoon makeup case is compact yet spacious, allowing your little girl to organize all her beauty essentials. It's incredibly convenient to carry, so she can enjoy her makeup toys anywhere. Every little girl dreams of having her own makeup kit, just like moms. This delightful set fulfills that dream, allowing her to dress up and have endless fun playing with you and her friends. With its convenient carrying case, she can take her beloved makeup toys on travels or to dress-up parties. It ensures she can enjoy imaginative play wherever she goes. This kit makes an ideal present for Children's Day, birthdays, Halloween, or Christmas. It's perfectly suited for girls aged 4 to 12, encouraging creative and pretend play. What we like. This set offers a safe and washable way for little ones to explore the world of makeup, easily removed with soap and water. If your child loves to mimic grown-ups and enjoys pretend play, this extensive 25-piece kit is perfect for them. It's ideal for aspiring princesses who want to experiment with beauty in a fun, mess-free, and age-appropriate manner. What people say. Number 1. GirlZone Unicorn and Mermaids Coloring Book. This book fosters a sense of achievement in kids. It provides a distraction-free, stress-free space for creative expression and enjoyment. Indulge in 114 cute and fun designs. You'll find unicorns, cupcakes, mermaids, mandalas, food, sea animals, and desserts within its pages. It's perfect for boys, girls, teens, kids, and adults alike. Anyone with a creative spark and an artist's heart will love it. This offers a creative escape, pulling them away from screens and distractions. It fosters imagination and improves focus. It's an ideal birthday gift, providing fun arts and crafts for kids and adults. Designed for ages 5 to 12 years old and up. What we like. This coloring book offers a wonderful escape with 114 engaging designs featuring unicorns and mermaids, promoting relaxation and focus. If you're looking for a screen-free activity that encourages artistic expression and provides a sense of calm, this book is an excellent choice. It's perfect for kids who enjoy quiet, creative time and love to bring magical worlds to life with color. What people say. No positive product features could be extracted as the source reviews were empty. No positive product features could be extracted as the source reviews were empty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.